everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video, we are going to make an anti-aging moisturizer. This anti-aging moisturizer is also a skin affirming tightening moisturizer. It's a moisturizer that you can use on your skin to help to reduce wrinkles and fine lines and boost collagen and elastin in the skin. For this moisturizer, I'm using a vital ingredients that are known to reduce wrinkles and fine lines, to tighten and firm the skin. If you find yourself with forehead wrinkles, if you're looking to reduce your deep laugh lines, if you're just looking to lift, tighten and firm the skin, you're looking to get rid of frown lines, you're looking to get rid of sagging jawline, then this moisturizer is for you. Apply the moisturizer on your skin daily and take years off you. You want to look years younger than your actual age. So if you're interested in this video, follow me to my kitchen. I'm going to share the full detailed recipe, and I'm also going to share some tips on how to get the best result. Now before I get in the kitchen, we have launched a Khichi Beauty skincare line, and this line we have a variety of skincare products that acts similar to this DIY moisturizer. So if you're interested in that, check out our website ALESMAXii.com, home of the Khichi Beauty skincare products. Now please watch the video to the end. Now let's get in the kitchen and start whipping this up. Today I'm going to be using rice as one of the main ingredients in this recipe. Rice has exfoliating properties. It helps to get rid of excess oil on the skin. It also helps to lighten the skin complexion. It will not irritate the skin. It gives the skin a better texture. It also prevents the skin from sun damage. Rice also has skin tightening and skin firming properties. So what I'm going to be doing with this rice, we're going to be boiling the rice. We're not going to overcook it. We're just going to boil it so that we maintain all of the natural antioxidant. So I'm taking about a quarter cup of rice, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to reach for a saucepan and we're going to pour the rice in the saucepan. So now let's go ahead and just pour our rice in the saucepan. Now once this is done, I'm going to reach for some milk, and milk is rich in lactic acid. Milk helps to exfoliate the skin. It also helps to lighten the complexion. Milk also helps to get rid of blackheads and whitehead from the skin. It also helps to hydrate the skin. I'm using a half a cup of milk, pouring this in the saucepan along with the rice, and now I'm going to give this a stir. Now once this is done, I'm going to reach for some oils. My first oil is going to be some grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil is a carrier oil. It's a very light oil that will not clog the pores, and it is vital for all skin type without causing any form of irritation or clogged pores. Grapeseed oil will help to hydrate the skin, reduce wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. I'm going to use a tablespoon of the grapeseed oil. Adding this to the saucepan, and what we're going to do next, we are going to give this a stir. So we're going to be blending all the three ingredients together. So place the saucepan on the stove top. This we're going to cook for about 10 minutes or so. To cook this rice, you're going to constantly stir the rice. So you're going to stir it until it comes to a complete boil. After that, you're going to just let it sit on the stove top for about a minute or two, and then you're going to go back and you're going to keep stirring. You're going to stir this rice until it's basically cooked, because you do not want it to stick to the bottom of the saucepan, since milk tend to do that easily. So keep stirring the rice, and after a while, take a look. This is what the rice is going to look like. Totally cooked, totally dried down. So keep stirring, and at this stage we are going to remove it from the stove top, and you want this consistency when you remove the rice. Now you're going to set the rice to cool, and this is probably going to take about 5 to 10 minutes or so. Let the rice cool down and then reach for your blender, and we're just going to pour the rice in the blender. Now once this is done,
what we're going to do, we are going to be blending the rice. You do not need to add any liquid to this, but if you allow your rice to completely dry it out, then go ahead and add a little extra milk. And now let's cover and give it a shake. And now we are gonna blend, and we're blending to a creamy consistency. Now once this is done, take a look. What we're gonna do next, we are gonna strain. I am using a cheesecloth. You can use any form of a merino or any cotton cloth, or go ahead and use a strainer. For this, I prefer to use the cheesecloth because I get to get rid of any form of a particle that is in this moisturizer. And now we are just gonna extract the cream from the cheesecloth. And we're gonna do this by just squeezing, as I am showing here. My lighting is just clashing with the whiteness from the cream. That's why you're not seeing it as good as you should right here, but that's okay. You get the gist. We are squeezing it from the cheesecloth. And now that we get everything out, you can go ahead, you can wash that cheesecloth and reuse it. And now take a look. Here we have our rice milk and grapeseed oil mixture, and we're giving it this a star. It's very, very creamy, as you can see right here. However, we are not done because I'm gonna add a few more ingredients to this to kick it up a notch. So first ingredient I'm gonna reach for is, just before I do that, let me just show you how this is already just disappearing on the skin when I take a little drop and place it on my hands. So I'm going to reach for some aloe vera gel. And for this recipe, I'm using about a tablespoon of the aloe vera gel. If you have fresh aloe vera gel, you can use it in this recipe. I would suggest that you kind of steam it when you were doing the rice. So I'm going to take another oil, and this oil is going to be some pomegranate seed oil. I'm also going to use about a tablespoon of the pomegranate seed oil. So 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel and 1 tablespoon of pomegranate seed oil. And now we are going to mix this, and we are going to mix well, totally blending all the ingredient together. So let's recap the ingredient. We're using a 1/4 cup of rice, we're using a cup of milk, we're using 1 tablespoon of grapeseed oil, which we boiled for about 10 minutes or so. And once that was done, we strained, and now we had a tablespoon of aloe vera gel and a tablespoon of pomegranate seed oil. And now we are mixing, and we're mixing all the ingredients together. If you have vitamin E oil, go ahead and add about 2 to 3 drops to this mixture. Now once this is done, we're going to be pouring this in our storage jar. Make sure your storage jar is sterilized, and this you're going to keep in your refrigerator for at least 7 days. Now take a look. This is your skin firming, skin brightening moisturizer. Tighten, firm, reduce hyperpigmentation on the skin. All you need is 1 to 2 drops of this AM and PM on the skin, and you're on your way to younger, brighter, fresher, and a more youthful looking skin.
There you have it. Thank you all for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, don't forget to share, and don't forget to leave your comment. And if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video.